How to make cartoon animation videos in Canva. If you want to make cartoon animation videos like these in Canva, then watch this video till the end. Step 1 is to open up any web browser and head over to canva.com. Now you want to select video layout. Here you want to click on elements. Now in the search bar type urban street. Then select your preferred background and adjust it on the page. Next thing you want to do is head over to the search bar again and this time search walking. Click on this filter icon and select animated. Now select your preferred graphic. You can resize it. Once it has been resized, click on the graphic, then click on animate. Now click on create an animation. You want to now hold shift while dragging the element to create straight line. After that, click on movement styles and set that to steady. Now you can also adjust the speed. After that is done, your first animation is ready. Now for the second animation, again you want to select a background. I've selected this one. For this animation, make sure the background is bigger than the page. Now select an element. After that, this time you want to click on the background. Now click on animate. Click on create an animation. Now you want to hold shift and drag the background to right. After that, set the movement styles to steady. Now you can change the speed and your second animation is ready. Now for the third one, you want to again select a preferred background. Then for this animation, I'm going to select a motorcycle. Now adjust this element. After that, right click on it and select the option of duplicate page. Now click on the second slide. Here you want to readjust the background. After that, you also want to resize your element to make it bigger. Now click on the add transition option. Here select match and move. Then you want to set the duration. Once that is done, your third animation is going to look something like this. And with these easy steps, you can make any kind of cartoon animation videos in Canva, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.